Hi, welcome to another video. Now, if you found this video, then it is because you are ready. You're not playing any more games. You have a fresh understanding of the person you want to be, and you're looking at how can you be consistent in being that person. If this is you, if this is where you are, then this video is going to be for you, because today we're going to be talking about the intransitive self. Now, the intransitive self is the self that works independently of outside determinations, outside things, outside validations. So if you are looking to be more intransitive, if you're looking to move in a more consistent way, then it can't be based off of what other people think or feel or believe. Like, it's not possible. Being self-contained means that you understand who you are, what you want, and why you're showing up as this person every day, because there's no other way. Like, the old me's dead and gone. The old me's dead and gone. The old you has to be dead and gone. Like, there's no revival of it. Like, when you bury something, you don't go dig it back up again. You bury it and you lay it to rest, and you realize that I have to choose. I have to choose if I'm going to continue to let comfort in who I was rule me, or am I going to look at life as a creation process? Am I going to look at life as every day I'm growing in a specific way towards a certain path that I see for me? This is what it means to move from the intransitive self. And then it just makes you think about leadership in a different way, and what it means to actually lead yourself. Like, it's easy to try to dictate others and what they should be doing, but you following your own lead, are you able to do that? Have you defined moving with authenticity when it comes to what it is that you want? Is it from a interpersonal level that you found within yourself that is leading you forward? Is it based off of your own self-observations that you've seen of yourself and how you've shown up and the results that it's given? You've decided for yourself, am I going to be inwardly motivated or I'm going to be outwardly motivated? And once you understand those parts, you understand what it means to lead you, what it means to actually be something new. It requires you to make choices, and choices that you don't go back on. And I know for a fact that has been something that I did just because I didn't have clarity. You know, I didn't have those things. I didn't have personal conviction, and I was trying to be consistent based off of other people's tactics, and it doesn't work. Life doesn't work like that. Your evolution will never work like that. This leads into what evolution gives you, what working on yourself and being inwardly motivated and taking an audit of who you are and what you bring to the table and the type of person you've been. Like, you need those things in order to be excellent, in order to set good goals, in order to deal with unpredictable outcomes. You have to understand what it means for you to be, do, and have more for you. So the moving from this intransitive self allows you to have the personal conviction necessary to be the more that you want to be. You get to decide what state of being that you're going to work out of. You get to decide what does it mean to define the I am that I profess over my day. Like, what does it mean to be in internal alignment with the thing that is calling my life? Oh, I've been seeing this pattern over and over in my life, or I'm always drawn to psychology, I'm always drawn to art, I'm always drawn to conversations that are about evolution and neuroplasticity. Like, that is signals that are showing you, like, okay, these are natural strengths. You no longer need the validation of others because you have integrity in why you show up on a day-to-day basis. You have to understand what inwardly is going to allow you to grow in ways that serve you, in ways that move you forward, in ways that aren't against you, the ways that show you love, the ways that empower you to do new things, to stretch, to say this, I want to take up more space, I want to allow my dreams to come true, I want to be this new person because I understand what it was to be my negative self. I know what it was to be broken, I know what it was to be confused and broke, okay? And it's just like, I understand that a lot of what we're missing in the world is trapped inside of us under who we thought we must be in order to make new things possible. So I just wanted to share this little tidbit with you and understanding the intransitive self. I have a few more videos I want to talk about when it comes to the intransitive self, but I didn't want to overload this video. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you're inspired to really tap into what it means for you to be your intransitive self, to move from self-motivation and not the validation of other people. Until next time, peace.